Create a text with your specific word. Convert text layer to Smart Object. Make a copy of the same text layer. Do flip vertical of the text layer. Use perspective for diagonal text. Double-click on text layer and on gradient overlay. Do the same for other text layer and reverse the effect. Copy your image in a file. Scale your image according to the text. Adjust your image color similar to the text color. Subscribe the channel for more videos.